EcholoN is a popular help desk software, but before you make the decision to buy, there are a few important things you need to know. In this video, we'll explore 12 key points about EcholoN and how it stacks up against other help desk solutions on the market. First, it's essential to understand how EcholoN compares to competitors in terms of user interface. While some help desk software can be overwhelming, EcholoN offers a clean, intuitive interface that's easy to navigate. It's designed to streamline your customer support process without a steep learning curve. Next thing to consider is pricing. EcholoN offers a flexible pricing model, which makes it an appealing choice for small to mid-sized businesses. However, when compared to others like Zendesk or Freshdesk, you may find the basic plans a bit more limited in features, so you might need to upgrade if you want access to more advanced tools. The third thing you need to know is the customization options. Unlike some competitors that offer a one-size-fits-all approach, EcholoN provides a range of customization options to tailor the software to your business needs. From customizable ticket fields to branded help centers, you'll be able to set things up just the way you want. The fourth thing to keep in mind is the ticket management system. EcholoN offers a solid ticket management system that helps organize, prioritize, and track customer support requests. However, while it's functional, it lacks the level of automation and advanced workflows that other platforms like Freshdesk and Zoho Desk offer. The fifth thing is its integration capabilities. EcholoN integrates with several popular apps, including Slack, email, and CRM tools. However, when compared to a tool like Zendesk, the list of native integrations may feel a bit limited, so you might need to rely on third-party apps or custom solutions for more complex workflows. Next up, the sixth thing to consider is reporting and analytics. EcholoN has basic reporting features, but it's not as robust as what's available with competitors like Zoho Desk, which provides more detailed insights into team performance and customer satisfaction. The seventh point is its mobile app. EcholoN offers a mobile app that allows your team to manage tickets on the go. While it gets the job done, it's not as feature-packed or responsive as the mobile apps from larger competitors, which might be a drawback for teams that need to manage tickets outside the office. The eighth thing you need to know is the customer support. EcholoN's support team is responsive and offers assistance through multiple channels, but the level of support might not be as immediate as what you'd get with other platforms like Zendesk, which has a more extensive knowledge base and support community. The ninth thing to think about is the knowledge base functionality. With EcholoN, you can create a knowledge base for customers to find answers on their own. However, when compared to other platforms, the knowledge base features can feel a bit basic, and the search functionality could be improved for a smoother customer experience. The 10th thing to consider is scalability. EcholoN is great for smaller businesses, but if you're planning to scale quickly, you might find that it lacks some of the advanced features and support options that other platforms like Freshdesk or Zendesk offer, which are designed to grow with your business. Next, the 11th thing is the security features. EcholoN offers standard security options like two-factor authentication and SSL encryption, which are important for protecting sensitive customer data. However, if you require more advanced security features, some of the bigger competitors might have a slight edge. Finally, the 12th thing is the trial period. EcholoN offers a free trial, so you can test out the features before committing to a paid plan. However, keep in mind that the trial period is relatively short compared to some competitors that offer more extensive free trials. So, is EcholoN a good choice? Yes. It's a solid help desk solution with a user-friendly interface, customization options, and decent customer support. But if you're looking for a platform with more advanced features, better integrations, or enhanced reporting, you might want to explore other options. That's why we recommend trying out our top choice for help desk software, an option that you can test for free with no strings attached. Check it out today and see if it's the right fit for your business.